thought we're building a new kind of internet, but there are some missing pieces to be able to kind of replace a lot of the traditional things we use in Web 2 or just traditional finance.
The next problem to tackle in my mind was storage.
Everyone is used to Web 2 solutions like Google Drive and Dropbox, but decentralized storage, it offers something really unique which those platforms can't offer.
Blockchains that create all of this new data, and we move toward 100K TPS, and people are creating millions and millions of new objects on chain, and we have all this activity on chain. What are you going to do with all of that data? Is it going to be programmable? Are people going to be able to interact with it? What kind of security guarantees are you going to have around that data? And that's what Walrus addresses.
When you think about, Walrus as a data storage layer, really connected to smart contracts in a trustless and decentralized way, the design space of application just, goes exponential. Like now you can do much more with your smart contracts than you could before.
Decentralized storage, for example, is inherently ransomware proof. This is one of the biggest problems with centralized cloud storage. The fact that it's a single point of failure, it's a honeypot for potential hackers, a crippling threat for many businesses and a massive cybersecurity issue.
What makes Walrus different from other storage protocols that have tried to address this issue is that is how the nodes are incentivized. Walrus has the best, not just erasure coding method for delivering this outcome, but also the best economic mechanism.
You drop these replication costs substantially, and now the economics make a lot of sense.
I like that Walrus is, first of all, the cheapest decentralized data storage solution.
Much more cost effective, much more interesting and innovative.
We have uploaded the largest AI models, open source models to Walrus.
The AI agents will be creating a lot of data, a lot of transaction data.
It's very important that we are able to follow the pace of AI development, which is basically moving super exponentially fast, right? Which is crazy. Once you understand the vision for Walrus and beyond, you understand, okay, this is the right technology to build the right products for AI.
If you're talking about bringing in data from the real world on chain, right? It's very important to make sure that you have a solution that can capture all that.
Why would I go and build my own things when there's a huge set of tools here to come and build and actually make my application much more powerful?
I wouldn't be surprised if, once we launch this, if there's, 1,000 pieces of art that are getting uploaded to Walrus every day.
In the next few years, every serious AI developer is using Walrus in some capacity.
This is just going to get better.